Today I will show you how to make a simple doll-sized skirt. First, make sure the racking handle is in its lowest position. Raise 80 needles on the front bed, 40 to the left and 40 to the right side of 0. Place the edge springs on the last working needles and make sure the latches are closed. Use the orange ruler and arrange the needles in 1-to-1 division, then place the right edge spring on the last working needle. Insert the black strippers and take the yarn. I will use 2 strands of acrylic yarn. Set the front lock to N and the stitch size to 1. Set the back lock to GX. Now knit 1 row. On the front lock, increase the stitch size to 4. Raise the needles on the front bed and move the right edge spring on the last working needle. Tap on the needles to tighten the yarn and knit 1 row to finish the cast on. Clear the row counter and increase the stitch size to 5. Now knit 6 rows. Tap on the needles after each row to tighten the yarn. Clear the row counter and take the double transferring tool. Don't touch the needles under the edge springs. Take both stitches next to the edge spring and move them 1 needle in. Leave the empty needle in working position, then do the same on the other side. Now knit 4 rows. Move the stitches again. You have to repeat these steps until the dress becomes the desired length. In my case, I will repeat them a total of 15 times. The row counter must be at 60 rows. Leave me a comment while I'm transferring the stitches. I love to hear from you. On the front lock, increase the stitch size to 5.5. Set the back lock to N and the stitch size to 5.5. Remove the black strippers and insert the orange ones. Take the single transferring tool, start at the second needle on the left and transfer all stitches in 1-to-1 division. Make sure all empty needles are in working position. Raise 80 needles on the back bed. You have to observe the needle rule. Place the edge springs on the last working needles and make sure the latches are closed. You can see up close. Now knit 1 row and lower the front bed. Use the yellow tool and make a zigzag latch cast off. Don't forget to leave me a comment below. Now it should look like this. I will iron it to make it flat. And now you can see it up close. Take an I-cord and thread it into the loops of the cast-off. Now take another piece of I-cord and thread it into the side holes just like a shoelace. It should look like this. Now let's dress the doll. It should look like this. That's all for today, thank you for watching, have a nice day and see you in my next video.